Since 1980, Bruce Canepa has not only piloted powerful race cars, but has earned a worldwide reputation of quality, performance, and style at his automotive Nirvana, Canepa Motorsports. So I've known Bruce Canepa for 20 years, but I had no idea that he had this place. Carl Brower, you're on this fun little event we're doing. Let's talk about this for a minute. It's the Drive for a Cure, and it's special to both of us, but we also get to geek out over these hot cars. But maybe you talk about, why are you involved with the Drive for the Cure?
This is, I believe, the third year now for this drive, and I've been hearing about it and how well it's done in terms of raising money for Parkinson's disease, as well as giving people a good time to enjoy the vehicles that are on this road. And
right.
I just think about any one of these cars, and there are $1 million+ cars all over the place. There's a couple $5+ $10+ million cars. And that alone would make the shop worth coming to. But then you go back and you see what they're doing with these cars, the kind of mechanical and engineering finesse that's going on back there. It's hard not to want to be a part of a charity drive that includes a car guy experience like this.
This 70,000 square foot facility is where the world's best automotive artisans work to preserve some of the most important road cars and competition vehicles for generations to come. Talking with Zach Todd right now, and he works at Canepa. This is the showroom where everything is for sale. I know Bruce. What is Canepa to the rest of the world?
Canepa is a world-leading collector car sales. We do restorations. We also do motorsports preparation and a lot of special projects, including the new Porsche 959 SC that we've just released. We basically sell the top 10% of anything that you can find out there. The museum's got a lot of everything. We've got a 1967 Shelby Super Snake from Don Prudhomme. We've got a Porsche 917K, one of the original homologation cars. We have Mark Donohue's AMC Javelin, and we also have a LMP1 car from Audi in 2009, and we have the 1976 Tyrrell P34 six-wheeler F1 car.
What is Bruce Canepa best known for?
I think his meticulous attention to detail with almost everything that he does. That's why you see all of these projects and all these cars that have this such immense attention to detail, and they're so perfect. And that's why everybody considers, like, oh, that's a Canepa car. And that has a kind of prestige to it that a lot of other cars don't have.
Well, I've had a great time at Canepa. This museum, this facility is unbelievable.
And they're super friendly. They'll let people come in, take photos, check out all the cars. I think if you're a person who's looking to either have one of your cars restored, or you're looking to get into this industry and get into this hobby, this would be a great place to start.
Yeah, this one right here, by the way, original paint job, 1966 Porsche. Where do you find that? All right, we're going to jump in our cars and take a drive now. Ready?
Let's do it.